Well, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching Mail Call. So the first one, and I hate to say it, I waited to the last minute, was from Miss Cindy, and she sent me a fat quarter of fabric, and then I have to come up and make something with it, and then send her a picture. So that's going to be fun. It looks like she also sent me a little pattern. So, very cool. Ooh, sunburst. I like it. So, Miss Cindy, I will get that to you. And I did Grandmother's Choice through Simply Swapping. And this is one of the blocks from Miss Johnny. These are also great. And then I believe Miss Mary. And Miss Lori. And these are all going to look so nice with the one that I did. And then maybe I can use these as the four as the center and then do some of my orphan blocks around it. We'll find a way to make it really great, and I love them. These are great. So thank you, ladies, very much. Now I have some other things. Yes, I'm behind. This was my July shipment from Apothecary at Home. So this is all very exciting. I'm really enjoying doing these, and I have not been able to do as much as I've wanted to. It's been a little crazy with the garden harvesting and different things. I made V8 juice and canned some pints of those. And we did some apple pie jam. And I've shredded up some zucchini and squash and made bread with them. And then we used our vacuum sealer and vacuumed some more of those. So it's been a little nutty, but it's been fun. I've been having a blast. So this is the July Apothecary at Home. Mental health. And this month's artwork is lavender. I definitely want to get that one. Let's see. And I have seeds for lemon balm and chamomile. I have another tea to try. This one's for stress relief. Let's see, herbal blends. It has oat straw, skullcap, kava root, ginkgo, ashwagandha, and clove. That sounds interesting. Let's see, what else? Of course, all my little jars, anything that we need for that. Oh, a little bottle. All of this is just so neat. I said, I'm having a blast with it. And I have some herbs. I have chamomile. And lemon balm. And lavender. Talk about everything just coming together nicely. These are so cool. I love them. And little drawstring bags as needed. We are really wanting to get more natural and more organic. Let's see. I need to be journaling more. Okay. Herbal actions for the nervous system. Nervine relaxant. Chamomile, lemon balm, lavender. Okay. So we can do tinctures and infused oils. Fusion, how to make a decoction, a sleep pillow recipe. I like that. May have to do that one. Oh, what things for anxiety. which my daughter, especially now, oh yeah, and added to everything else that's been going on, I've got 3 kids starting college. So trying to make sure they've got all of that stuff handled. I've been going, 27 different ways. But that's okay. And I signed up for learning herbs. Now I think they only do this like once every 3 months, but you get like 3 months worth of projects. So I feel like I'm so behind, but you know what? That's the thing. Don't stress about it. This is extra. Now, the tomatoes and the fresh fruit and vegetables, I gotta handle those because they'll go bad. This stuff will sit and wait. Check this out. And I'm probably not going to go through everything in here. Oh, go on an herbal adventure for family game night. A cooperative board game that explores healing herbs. Wildcraft. We may have to look into that. But look at what? Oh, the adventures that await. I believe I got this in June, so June, July, August. If they do it every 3 months, there'll be another one for September. Got echinacea, elderberries for syrup. Herbs for a salve. Oh, this is awesome. I'm loving this. I'm also trying to take a class through Centers of Excellence. But again, that one, there's no time limit. You do it at your own pace. So that awaits me as soon as I get some of these other things done. And last but not least, it was during Amazon Prime Day. This died is normally $60-something. And on Amazon Prime, it was 30-something. So I had to look at my husband real sweet and say, honey, I've been wanting this. And lo and behold, he said, oh, yeah, go ahead. So I did. He should know better than to tell me he doesn't care or to go ahead, because I'm a goner. No, I've been wanting this one for a couple of years. But especially here lately, I just couldn't bring myself to do it. The kids need clothes, there's this, there's that. But I'm excited. This is another one that will wait. It won't go bad. So we're going to put that over here with this. So my next project, and I'm probably going to do it as soon as I finish making this video. By the time this airs, by the time you're watching it, I will have made something with this. So keep your fingers crossed for me. Wish me luck. Keep your fingers crossed for my kids. In 2 weeks or so, they're going to be starting school. College is going to be a whole new experience. And they've been not working a job. Well, if they're going to want to, eat lunch at the cafeteria or get things from the vending machines, the mama well's dry. They can take some stuff I've got around here, or they can get a job and use their own money for the vending machines. Yeah? So wish me luck on that one too. Because I'm a softie. I am. I admit it. In fact, my boys, they say I'm not just soft, I'm a marshmallow. And that's probably not the best thing for them. But overall, they're good kids. So, fingers crossed, wish me luck in all of our projects in the garden and the canning, and I'm having so much fun with the canning. Trying out my dehydrator. Oh, we're having a blast. We really are. It definitely keeps us busy. We're definitely no idle hands. But the thing is, we're having so much fun. And I think that's probably what's most important. And what I'm loving is David and I can do a lot of this together. So we can, spend more time together. So that's always great. So, don't you wish you were me with all my fun stuff? Well, you could be. Just check below for some links. And they are affiliate links. So, you know, if you click and you buy, then, you know, sometimes we get a little something back. So that's always fun. I think with Apothecary Home, if I get 3 people to buy, then I get a free shipment. That would be fun. We do have Amazon affiliate links. Nothing with this one. But that's okay. That's okay. And the most important thing of all, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you find your inner peace and you're doing things that make you happy, that you're having a blast doing. And don't forget to come back. I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.